Dear students of 12th class, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have already discussed the poem My Mother at 66, and this is a touching poem written by a famous Indian poetess Kamala Das. We have already learned the explanation of the poem My Mother at 66. You can watch the video. Then today we will discuss the another part of the poem, that is the theme of the poem My Mother at 66. So the first theme used in the poem is the constraints of old age. As I have already told you that this is a touching poem written by Kamala Das. Kamala Das realizes the pain and anxiety of her old aged mother at 66. जब किसी की माँ बुढ़ापे की उम्र को पहुँचती है तो इसकी बेटी को बहुत फील होता है, क्योंकि देयर इज ए स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द मदर एंड द डॉटर. माँ बेटी का जो रिश्ता होता है ये बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, रियलिस्टिक होता है. So my dear students, she realizes the pain and anxiety of her old aged mother. क्योंकि जब ओल्ड एज आती है किसी की भी माँ को, then the mother at old age faces various problems like health problem, social problem, mental problem, anxiety problem, and so many problems. जब हम थीम की बात करते हैं, so my mother at 66 is based on the theme of old age, on the theme of separation, on the theme of fear of loss and separation of parents who are at old age. तो ये टेंशन होता है हमारे बच्चों को, उनके जो बूढ़े वालिदैन होते हैं उनकी जुदाई का गम, उनकी सेपरेशन का गम उनको हमेशा सताए जा रहा है. सो इस पोएम में ये भी थीम है कि दैट वी शुड spend some time with our old people, with our seniors, with our senior citizens. उनको पैसों की जरूरत नहीं होती है. They don't need your money, but they want your time. So, my dear students, if you have your grandmother or grandfather, or maybe your father at old age, so you should spend some time, some minutes, some hours with your parents, with your grandparents, and they will feel secure. Then aspirations and helplessness of the youth. So my dear students, there are different stages of life. इन्फेंसी है, प्री चाइल्डहुड है, लेटर चाइल्डहुड है, एडोलसेंस है, और इसके बाद यूथफुल एज है, और लास्टली जो है वो है ओल्ड एज. Old is gold because old people are full of experience, full of wisdom. The poets or our youth are not ready to accept the death of old people. हमारे बच्चे कभी नहीं चाहते हैं कि इनके वालिदैन इनसे छिन जाए. So in this poem, the poetess had a childhood fear of permanent separation from her mother. एक मतलब मेंटल पेन है पोइटस के माइंड में कि वो नहीं चाहती है कि उसकी माँ की डेथ हो जाए. सो एक और थीम है दैट वी डोंट हैव in this materialistic world, we don't have the time to attend to our seniors, to attend our old people. They need you. They need your love. They need your encouragement. So the beauty of the youth or beauty of a child, it fades away. ये उसी तरह से फेड होता है जिस तरह से दरख्तों के पत्ते जो होते हैं वो ऑटम के महीने में दरख्तों से गिर जाते हैं. सो लाइक दैट कि एक इंसान जो है ये पहले उसका बचपन होता है, उसके बाद उसकी टीनेज होती है, उसके बाद ये जवान होता है, उसके बाद बूढ़ा होता है. तो एवरीवन हैज टू फेस दिस चैलेंज. इट इज द लॉ ऑफ नेचर. So, my dear students, the poet or the poetess undergoes the universal emotion of grief and fear of losing a parent to old age and death. Death, kul nafsun zaiqatul maut. Death ends all and death conquers all. It is the reality of life. Man is mortal. उसको एक न एक दिन यहाँ से चले जाना है. So the poetess is full of emotions. She does not want that the death of her old aged mother. And then the nature, a relief, as I have already told, nature is nature. It is the law of nature. So these are some of the themes used in the poem My Mother at 66. This is a short video. I hope you like this short video. Share this video with your friends. Stay home, stay safe. I care for your safety and for the safety of your loved ones. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.